Insert a donut shape and adjust the yellow handle for the desired thickness. Overlay thin rectangles as cutting guides, rotating them at specific angles to define the color segments of the logo. Select all elements and execute Merge Shapes fragment. This precisely slices the donut into distinct segments. Remove all extraneous, cut-off pieces, leaving only the primary arc segments. Remove all outlines. Use Merge Shapes Union for segments that share the same color to create a seamless look. Use the eyedropper tool to sample the official Google brand palette: blue, red, yellow, green. Insert a horizontal rectangle to create the central G crossbar. Aligning it perfectly with the right side segments. Once colored, group the shapes to position the logo. Then ungroup them to prepare for animation. Duplicate the slide. On the first slide, scatter and rotate the individual parts across the canvas. On the second slide, keep the logo fully assembled. Apply the morph transition to the second slide for a cinematic assembly effect.